Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shahi bin Shahuri. So I will the first presenter. So I will introduce for our group. So today I will be talking about two crucial concept in operation management: value-added activity and waste, particularly through the lens of lean manufacturing and the Toyota production system. So let's start with the value-added. A value-added activity is any process that increase the usefulness or appeal of a product or service in the eyes of the customer. In short, if the customer is willing to pay for it, it's value added. For example, like assembly parts of car, installing the engine, and painting the exterior. Each of these directly contribute to the final products. Okay, so understanding waste. Now let's contrast that with waste. Waste refer to any activity that consumes resources like time, labor, or material without enhance the product value. So it doesn't help the customer, it doesn't transform the product, and it costs the business. So, the seven ways the Toyota production system identify seven key form of waste. First is overproduction, making more than needed. Second, waiting, either worker or machine. Third, transportation, unnecessary movement of material. Fourth, inventory, like holding excess stock. And five, motion, like inefficient movement by people or equipment. Six, over processing, doing more work than required. Seven, but not, last but not least, defect, error that lead to reward or scrap. So why distinguish between value added and waste? Because by reduce or eliminate waste, we streamline operation, cut costs, and improve quality. It's not just about doing more; it's about doing what matter not. So, in summary, focus on what customer care about, the value. So, identify what slow you down, like waste, and use that insight to build faster, leaner, and more competitive processes. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Rafiq Aiman, and today I will be present the part about company background. So Toyota Motor Corporation, commonly known as Toyota, is a popular multinational automobile maker headquartered in Toyota City, inside Aichi Prefecture, in Japan. The firm was established by Kichiro Toyoda in 1937, and it was a spin-off company to Toyota Industries, a company owned by his father. Um, this step initiated one of the biggest and most influential car producers in the world. The reason is because Toyota is a difficult name in Japanese to read and would use more stroke to write in kanji. Hence, the company chose to adopt the easy name Toyota. True, Toyota has been able to rise to a high level of success due in part to innovation and efficiency even on those lowly beginnings. In the initial period, Toyota focused on the production of passenger cars and trucks on the Japanese domestic market. Following World War II, the company expanded its influence and enhanced its manufacturing process. One of the humans turning points occurred during the 1950s, when the philosophy of Toyota Production System (TPS) was invented, and it significantly emphasized on lean production, just-in-time inventory, and continuous improvement, which is Kaizen. Not only did this system increase productivity, it became a global point of reference on manufacturing excellence. Thanks to TPS, Toyota was able to compete with established Western automakers through offering superior quality of cars at fair prices. Other than that, in the 1960s and 1970s, Toyota began to expand abroad, particularly to the US, where it introduced its models such as the Toyota Corolla. This Corolla soon became one of the most successful selling passenger vehicles of all time and contributed to the fact that Toyota was regarded as reliable and had good mileage. It was also a brilliant step to set up factories in major markets, North America, Europe, and Asia. That way, the company was able to customize local manufacturing to suit the local plates and avoid high traffic on imports. That integrated international strategy played a vital role towards ensuring that Toyota became a force to reckon with in the automotive business sector. Okay, fast forward to the 1990s and 2000s, and Toyota actually look environmental sustainability to a whole new level with the introduction of the Prius, the world first mass produced hybrid electric car. The Prius, when it released on the road in 1997, demonstrated to the world that Toyota meant business when it came to being innovative and environmentally conscious engineering. The company, as a pioneer of hybrid engines, has put in place the facilitation of cleaner and more efficient cars, which is ideal in the wake of the increasing international concern on issues like climate change and carbon emission. This dedication has been visible in the hydrogen fuel cell vehicles such as the Mirai prototype, as well as the investment Toyota is making on the electric vehicle technologies. Thus, you may already have observed that Toyota has remained one of the largest car brands on the globe and a de facto name that shoppers will stop at when they are seeking to purchase automobiles. Pretty much anything is rolled by this company, including sedans, SUVs, pickups, and hybrids, and they mark the various options of this under a variety of labels, particularly its own Toyota brand, under which all its cars are sold. Lexus and Daihatsu being the other most popular labels. Despite its increased competition, economic change, more environment-based regulations, as well as fast-changing technology, Toyota adheres to the principles of existence as quality, toughness, and innovation. As the entire industry races toward electrification, autonomous technology, and constantly connected cars, Toyota continues to twist and turn, relying on its decades-old philosophy of never-ending improvement and not losing track of the people who create and consume its vehicles. That's all from me. Thank you.
I'm Mariana. My matrix number is B06231038. Okay, today let's talk about how Toyota, a company known for its lean manufacturing, is now facing serious forms of waste in both its operation and strategies. So first, there's waiting waste. Recent delays in vehicle certification and slow action in the electric vehicle EV market have caused Toyota's production lines to stop. So when that happens, workers, machines, and space go unused, in which it's wasting time and money. In lean thinking, waiting is one of the worst ways because it adds no value for customers. Secondly, there's underutilization of resources. Toyota has been cautious with EVs, even cutting its 2026 EV target by 30%, while competitors are racing ahead. Even though their EV sales grew, Toyota still scaled back. This left factories, workers, and innovation teams underused. In other words, they're wasting talents and missing market opportunities. Thirdly, defect waste is now a major concern. Toyota admits to using false safety test data for 7 vehicle models, in which affecting about 1.7 million cars. This kind of mistakes damages trust, leads to recalls, and waste time, materials, and money. It's the opposite of what lean manufacturing stands for: quality and efficiency. Lastly, there's overprocessing waste. Toyota has spent over 800,000 in dollars supporting United States politicians who deny climate change, despite claiming to support sustainability. This political spending doesn't help customers or products. It sends mixed messages and harms their reputation. So, in conclusion, Toyota is facing four big types of waste: waiting, underutilized resources, defects, and overprocessing. To move forward, the company needs to return to its lean roots by focusing on innovation, quality, and transparent, eco friendly strategies. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Zulhafiz. So now I will explain 4 key strategies to reduce different type of waste in our operation. So the first one is waiting waste. To reduce downtime, we using agile production strategies, especially in EV manufacturing, to speed up response and streamline workflow. This also enable quicker decision making and help us adapt more efficiently to shifting market trends. The second one is defect waste. To minimize error, we will conduct independent quality audit and implement digital traceability system. So this system allow us to track each product from start to finish, so we can spot defect yearly and fix them before they become costly. And the next one is underutilized resources. To unlock the full potential of our team, we are promoting entrepreneurship and setting up green innovation hubs. This encourages employees to pitch sustainability idea, and we are also working closely with tech firms to bring in fresh expertise and innovation. And the last one is over processing waste. So to prevent doing unnecessary work, we plan to align government funding with sustainability goals, which is by investing in clean energy and infrastructure. And we will ensure our process stay efficient, eco-friendly, and future-ready.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Ilham Zikri bin Abdul Hamid. My metric number is B0623100088. I will talk about the conclusion. So, in conclusion, Toyota's recent challenge from production delays to environmental controversies signal a clear drift from the lean principles that once defined its global excellence. To regain its competitive edge and public trust, Toyota must return to its core values, which is Kaizen, which means to stay agile and innovative, respect for people by empowering employees to lead sustainable change, and value creation by aligning every product and decision with consumer needs and environmental responsibility. Realignment won't be easy, but it is necessary. By accelerating EV innovation, strengthening transparency, and stepping away from harmful lobbying, Toyota can position itself not just as a car maker, but as a leader in ethical, future-focused mobility. This is more than a recovery, it is a return to purpose. Thank you.